Hello students, welcome to Golden Light Tuition Center. Those of you who are watching us for the first time, please feel free to subscribe to our channel for more lessons. Remember, this is the place for wisdom and knowledge. So in today's journey, let us start with the topic, the so-called matrices actually. On matrices, we're going to look at determinant and inverse. Now, to the grade 12 GCE, please don't forget that this topic, it doesn't miss in an exam. Every year, this year, next year, whatever, it always appears. So it's very, very much important to have a clue and knowledge on this topic. Okay, so we have extracted a question from a past paper, 2024, grade 12, specifically internal. Please, those of you who have a past paper, you can able to compare this question and the answer, which I'm going to write here actually. Okay, so how do we solve the determinant? Okay, so we have a question here which says, given that matrix P is equivalent to 3, negative 1, negative 4, and 2. Then the first question was, find what? Determinant. So, how do we find the determinant? Now, here is the formula, or maybe the solution for determinant. Imagine this is matrix A part. It says A is equivalent to A, B, C, D. Then you are told to find the determinant. How can you find the determinant? So the formula, it goes like this. You have to multiply these two diagonal numbers opposite, A times D minus B times C. So therefore, the determinant of A is equal to A times D, okay, remember, minus B times C. So this is the formula which we use for us to find the determinant of any matrix, in fact. Here's the question. We are trying to find the determinant of this matrix P. So what we do, let us copy this question, we put it there. So therefore, P is equals to there 3, negative 1, then negative 4, then 2, and 0 there. So how do we solve the determinant here? Just like the formula there on top, you have to multiply these two opposite diagonal numbers, the top, bottom, then times bottom and the top there, then subtract in the middle. So how we do this? 3 times 2, so we write determinant of P equals to 3 times 2 in brackets, then minus the 2 there, negative 1, then times negative 4 in fact. Okay. So what will be the answer in that case? So the answer in that case now, it will be determinant of P is equivalent to, let's multiply there. 3 times 2, you're going to get the answer which is 6. Then negative 1 times negative 4. Remember that negative times negative is positive. Anyway, if you multiply the two similar signs, you get the answer what? Positive. I repeat. If you multiply the two similar signs, okay, guess what? You're going to get the answer positive. So here, negative times negative, you get the answer positive. So therefore, negative 1 times negative 4, the answer will be positive. Only need of a minus here, don't forget. So it will be minus positive 4. But hey, what will be the answer in that case in fact? So the answer there now, it will be determinant of P. It is equivalent to 6 minus 4. The answer there, it will be positive 2. So class, this is the what? The answer. So to those of you who wrote this question in 2024, grade 12 internal, don't forget that under matrix,